Hey, welcome. Michael from Soares Landscaping. Today we're going to show you pond oasis here in the backyard. Follow me. All right. So here's a 7x10 pond that we built here in this backyard in Kitchener. We've renovated a really old pond that was here that was no longer working. So as you can see, we got our typical skimmer filtration system over there, pulling water from the pond back through and behind to the biofalls. Both systems are filtering water, keeping it clean. Inside the pond, you'll get a glimpse. We've got a fish cave in here. Perfect area for fish to hide from predators, as well as find warmer water during the winter months. This pond will operate during the winter time as long as the waterfall does not dam over and have water escape. It's good to go, and as long as there's a hole in the ice, the fish will be nice and healthy. We've got some landscape lighting to complement this pond. Come check it out. A couple cool spots. As you saw, we had a cedar over there by the pond with a light on it. We've also got an uplight on this guy here, as well as along this edge here. So it's gonna get a little bit darker soon, and you're gonna see all these specimen trees at nighttime. Really key. At night, you don't wanna have just pitch black. If you're gonna hang out here and enjoy that pond, you wanna see the rest of the garden, and that's what we've done here. Hey, thanks for watching. We've enjoyed renovating this pond here in Kitchener. We enjoy building water features and renovating them. They're the one feature that gets you outside. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.